In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the June euro currency, the largest single-day percentage move higher since mid-December of 23 showed some evidence of short covering, and the evidence comes from prior price action and volume over the last 4 sessions. The June euro currency futures dropped 1.39% over 3 consecutive sessions on slowly accelerating volume. And then today's snap move higher gave us a preliminary volume level that was the highest by far of those 4 sessions and the highest volume level since March 8th. That type of price action tends to mean the covering of prior price action short positions plus new positions, not just adjustment of new positions. The high today, 108.55 was up 1.01%. The low, 107.37 was down 0.08%, and we did pull back a little bit off the highs, but we still finished up about 0.6%. Now, inflation was a big part of today's story. German inflation, which of course Germany being the engine of the EU economy, was unrevised in the final May data release. But US CPI was softer than expected. And on top of that, month-over-month headline CPI in the US was unchanged. It came in at 0.0, leading markets to believe that a rate cut in the US was imminent. But we had the FOMC meeting today. And in that FOMC meeting, they left rates alone and didn't really point to an imminent rate cut. Okay, they're still leaning dovish, and they talked about it in their statement, and Jerome Powell talked about it in the press conference, but he was careful enough to say that we really don't know when that cut is coming, and we're still open to the possibility of either side being a surprise to us. On that, U.S. yields dropped earlier in the day, and by on that I mean the CPI data, and then rallied back as the day went on. The post-FOMC recovery caused the dollar to rebound a little bit, which definitely took the euro off its highs. 2-year yield, for example, was down double digits, and it ended up only down about 6 digits on the yield. It was down 10 at about 471, but now it sits at about 475 as I speak to you right now with a little bit of time left in the session.